I used it instead of bleach, and I was thrilled. It whitened the shower tray so it shines like new. It turns out there's a simple way to achieve cleanliness without the unpleasant smell of bleach. First, prepare the shower stall and plug the drain. If you have a drain like mine, you can use a fabric softener cap as a stopper. It fits perfectly and holds the water. Fill the shower tray with hot water, toss in 2 dishwasher tablets, and leave it for 30 minutes until they dissolve. The tablets not only effectively break down residues, but also eliminate stains and soap scum from hard water, leaving the surface perfectly smooth. Put on gloves, take a microfiber cloth, and gently scrub the surface of the shower tray. The whitening effect of the dishwasher tablets is just as strong as traditional cleaners, but without harmful fumes. Finally, rinse with water, and your shower tray will gleam with cleanliness.